Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, we are second year engineering students from Division C from Zeal College of Engineering and Research, Pune, Maharashtra. Under the project based learning 4, we, Rohit Karne, Aniket Patel, Onkar Deshmukh and Shantanu Baranpurkar have completed a project on social distancing tracker under the guidance of Professor Mahesh Pokharkar. The main objective of our project is to track violation of social distancing in public places. As we all know, COVID-19 is an infectious disease. It spreads from person to person through direct contact or indirect contact, like droplets coming out of our mouth while coughing or sneezing. This spread can be reduced to a large extent by maintaining distance from one another. Our software can be used at public places like cafes, restaurants, malls, offices, etc. The only prerequisite of our software is a camera which will capture footage. By analyzing the footage, the software can give a real-time alert about the people violating the social distance norms. We have used Python as the only programming language for this software. In Python, we have used the OpenSea library, which is used to detect faces of people. Then we have used the math library, which is used to calculate the distance between the detected faces. Upon executing the program, the OpenSea and math libraries are imported. Then a frame is captured from the camera. Using the OpenSea library, all the faces in the frame are detected and highlighted in a green rectangular box. Then the distance between every rectangular box is calculated using the distance formula from the math library. If the distance between any two boxes is less than specified value, the box turns red, otherwise it remains green. The number of red boxes, that is number of violations, are displayed on the screen. This process is carried out for each and every frame that is captured in the camera, and thus we get real-time social distancing violations. This is the code of our software written by our team. As we can see, the faces which are close to each other are highlighted in red rectangle. It means they are violating the rules of social distancing, and others are highlighted in green color. That means they are maintaining the distance. One of the prime features of our software is its only requirement, which is camera. It is easily available at public places in the form of CCTV cameras. Also, it is really easy to use. Another major highlight of our software is that all these processes of detection, calculation of distance and alert generation happen in real time. Our software can be used in public places like shops, restaurants, cafes, clubs, etc. This software can be further developed to identify faces and also get their details like name and address from government records to impose fines on them for violating the norms. Since social distancing is very important to reduce the spread of COVID-19, it is necessary to follow it strictly. This software helps to detect and alert the authorities about the violations. The requirements to run this software are very less, so it can be easily implemented everywhere. This project was completed by our team with the guidance of our guide, Professor Mahesh Pokharkar sir. We would like to thank Zeal Institute for giving us the opportunity to work on this project.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.